Instagram automatic back problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you do that, simply launch the Play Store connection. As you tap on Play Store, simply launch the Play search bar and then search for Instagram over here. Make sure you have an updated version of the application. So as you can see, there's an option of update, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Instagram and then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, scroll down and see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. Now tap on clear data and then clear the cache, then tap on OK. After this, you can just go back and relaunch the Instagram application, and if that does not solve the issue, make a long press on power button, then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might help you fix your issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.